Hi there, this is Jenny Meyer with HomeGrown Lincoln. Today we are at Country Sliced Ham and Cafe, located at 66 and O Street. Country Sliced Ham and Cafe is a staple for over 30 years now, and they offer different types of lunch and deli sandwiches. Let's go see what they have to offer. HomeGrown Spotlight is about showing you the coolest restaurants in and around Lincoln. I'm Jenny Meyer with Lincoln Select, and this is HomeGrown Spotlight. Hey Chad, how's it going today?
Good, how are you?
Elbow bump?
Boom.
Boom. Do you want to tell me a little bit about the place? How do you come up with some of the names for your sandwiches?
You know, we sit around in the back a lot of times and come up with names that we think are funny a lot of times. Like this one we're doing this weekend, we came up with a name before we came up with the item. The Big Bad Wolf Mama.
Oh my gosh. I love that. So you guys also do some catering, right?
Yeah, we've kind of expanded that out of here. What we do is we've got some wedding catering, so custom actual menu that is just for this location. They can get all their entrees, some different sides and all that. Otherwise, we can do a little bit of custom catering too. We're lucky to have some friends over at Doorstep Diner Catering that can help us out with stuff like that.
Awesome, I love it. And families can order meals to go, correct? And kind
Absolutely.
of take them home.
Absolutely. Every night we have you can get a meal for 4 out of here. They come in, choose their entree, couple sides, and they can show up between 4 and 6. Show up, it's ready to go.
You make it nice and easy then for them.
Yes, we do.
Country Sliced Ham and Cafe has actually been here for about 34 years. So as you can imagine, probably went through some remodeling changes when you guys took ownership.
Oh yeah.
Can you tell me a little bit about that?
We definitely, when we came in here, we've put in the shiplap walls, went with a little bit more bright colors, put up our big menu board, just tried to bring it a little bit more current. I feel that we've done very well.
I agree. Yeah, it's nice and bright in here and very clean and appealing. So you guys did great. What are some new items that you're working on right now?
I don't want to give away too much, but we are working on a ham meatloaf. It has, of course, like our burgers, it's a 50-50 blend of ham and burger. A nice glaze on top of that. We're looking at doing a little mini meatloaf. We were trying a Hawaiian sandwich. So if you like Hawaiian pizza, pineapple
Yes.
goes on not only pizza, but it goes on a sandwich too.
Oh, yum. I'm getting hungry.
Me too.
Great. Well, should we head on back to the kitchen and check out some dishes being made back there?
Yeah.
All right, go check it out.
So today we're going to work on one of our specialties that Jake and I came up with. It's called a hamburger. It's not your traditional all beef hamburger. This is our hybrid. We took some of our fine smoked ham, ground it up, and mixed it in with a little bit of beef to make a hamburger patty. The hamburger, because it's actual ground ham, you're gonna have pink in this. For the well done hamburger people, we've had to really coach them and let them know that this is not gonna be brown throughout. But you see it gets this nice little, we get the nice little lines on there and everything. Yeah. All right, let's turn that off so we don't blow the place up.
Yep.
We do a
Love
buttered
that.
brioche for this. This was again, Jake's brainchild there. He found the right bun that we wanted to use and we went with it.
All right, let's start with the Three Little Pigs.
Three
So,
little
in
pigs.
our little brioche bun here, we're gonna have some of the sweet seeded mustard that we make in-house. My hamburger patty is going to go on top of that. We're going to throw on some provolone cheese, let that get a little bit melty there. A couple of strips of bacon.
X marks the spot.
Plus that. Some of our pulled pork goes
Oh, wow.
on top of that. And then we're just going to finish that off with a little bit of barbecue sauce. You can add lettuce, onion, tomato to those, but that's going to be that basic burger. If you wanted to leave off the onion, we can do that for you. The second one we have here is going to be what we call the Big Bad Wolf Mama. So we're starting off this guy with our hamburger. We have some homemade beer, macaroni, and cheese. We use the double IPA from Cosmic Eye Brewery
Oh, I love that.
to make this beer cheese. They actually call that the call
Call the Wolf Mama.
Call of the Wolf Mama.
It is one of my favorites over there.
We're going to have
Perfect.
some mac and cheese on this burger. On top
Clever.
of that mac and cheese, we have some fire roasted jalapenos and then some crushed up jalapeno kettle chips to give just a little bit of extra heat, a little bit of texture
boy.
to that whole burger.
Wow.
So good.
That looks amazing and spicy.
Oh,
Is it spicy?
It is spicy.
We tried to make it spicy.
Had to have something with a bite. If we're gonna call this the big bad wolf mama, it had to have some bite.
That makes sense.
That's where we got some heat into
We talked ourselves down from ghost peppers and habaneros.
that.
So
People to be able to eat it and
Yeah.
not, you know, burn their mouths.
All right, well, these look amazing. So I'd love to take a test and let you guys know what I think.
All right.
This is the Three Little Pigs sandwich. We've got some barbecue sauce, pork, provolone cheese, bacon, and sweet spicy mustard. It looks amazing, and it is a good size, as you can see. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try though. Okay, all right, here we go. Oh wow, very, very, very good. A lot of different flavors there. This sandwich is amazing. You guys need to come to Country Sliced Ham and Cafe and try out some of their deli sandwiches, lunch specials. This place is awesome, and I would highly recommend it, especially this Three Little Pigs sandwich right here. Burger right here, sorry. We'll see you next time for another episode of Homegrown Lincoln. Please make sure you follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more food, fun, and giveaways. Also, don't forget to follow Country Sliced Ham and Cafe on Facebook and Instagram as well. See you next time.